Right over there behind those trees is Cardinal Grove. That's where I park and I go hunting a lot. And then I walk down that shoreline, cross right over there, and head over to those woods. See quite a few deer. I've only got a shot once, so we all know how that turned out. I've only got one deer and it wasn't there, so. Abby's fishing with the Mr. Twister. So far we've been unsuccessful, but that's okay. Got a blue heron right over here that Abby just scared off. Thank you, Abby. There it goes. Because you know those are vicious and could have attacked us at any moment. Say hi, Abbers.
Hi.
How you like the canoe?
I like it.
Cool.
As long as I don't tip.
Well, hopefully we won't tip. But if we do, it's not like you can't swim.
I'm a terrible swimmer. I'll drown.
Yeah, that's why you're on a swim team. Oh, look at that. Does she have a... Oh, thought you had one.
I got a stick.
Stick? Ah. Alright, well, I think this will be the last installment for the day, and we're about ready to Titanic into a stump. Thank you, Abby, for getting us away from there. Or charging at it quicker. That'll work too. I might want to push away from that big tree. Good job, kiddo. She doesn't pull as strong as Knox does, but she does okay. Shush. Alright, Labor Day 2010. Having fun. Say goodbye, Abby.
Bye.